Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to add the countdown timer to a video in Premiere Pro. So first of all we will right click here, go to new item and click on black video and click on OK and add this black video to the top of your video here, and then select this video and search for effect which is like time code. Okay, so you will actually drag and drop this effect here which is time code, and select your black video here, and in the opacity effect here change the blend mode to screen. Okay, and now scroll down and then you will actually come down here and you will see the time code effect. So you actually need to turn off this field symbol option here and actually change the time code source from media to generate. Okay, and you can actually adjust the position of this slider here by actually going into this option here. Like if you want on to the top here, you can actually set it here like this one. Okay, so now that we have all this set, what we will do here is we will actually select this our video clip here, right click and just click on nest. Okay, and then again select this and again change the blend mode to screen, and then again click on this black video here, go to the speed and duration option and then click on reverse speed and click on OK. And now when we actually open up, our countdown timer starts. So if you want to remove these figures here, you will add the crop effect. Just add the crop effect to your video here, and from the left hand side you can actually crop it like this one, this and this. Okay, and now our countdown timer has started. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.